Hi, this is Brian Stark, and I'm going to show you how to work with your projects using the desktop software. One of the first things you have to do is add a project name. And as you can see here, I have 3 different projects to pick from, but most of you will have just one project. And year after year, you'll have that one project to restore all your data, maps, accounting records, and so forth. Reasons you'd have more than one project might be if you have like a trucking business or a grain hauling business. Maybe you need your own set of books for accounting purposes. That might be one of the only reasons you'd have more than one project here. And to add one, just hit the New Project button and type in the name. And passwords are optional, so if you want to add a password here, every time you enter that project, it will ask you for that password. So it's a great way of keeping people out if you don't want them to see your records. The Change Project Info button is where you go to make changes. So let's say we made a spelling mistake there. This is where you go ahead and change that. The Restore Project button is very handy. Let's say you have to reinstall the software onto another computer. This is how you get the data in your project into the other computer, by going to Restore Backup. Copy Project. This is a fantastic feature here. So let's say that you want to play around with your data and not have the fear of messing things up. So what you can do here is just add a new project name called Practice, and you can copy all the contents from that project, or maybe just some of the different items from that project to play around with. It's also a great tool if you want to completely start over on the accounting for the first of the year. Maybe you had so many mistakes, you just want to start over but not lose any field records or maps, anything regarding to the fields. This is exactly how you do that. Now the delete button here deletes that project, and once you hit the yes button, that project is gone. The only way to recover a deleted project would be to restore a backup, and that's where you go back to that Restore Project button and find that backup and restore it into to your software. Once we're all done here, we'll choose that project and hit the OK button. The last thing it's going to ask for is the measurement system. So it's going to default to US English here. Let's say you have a situation where you want to use acres but also apply things in liters and metric. If you have a combination like that, this is where you want to check that box to accommodate that, and just hit the OK button to move forward.